Good afternoon, everybody. I am removing the 12 cylinder head bolts. So here we go. I'm going to show you the tools that I'm using for this. Okay, just getting my camera. This here is a 24-inch flex handle, half-inch drive, swivel head breaker bar. Now I just used this to break 2 bolts and it actually successfully works. This here is an impact driver, 14mm impact driver. Now earlier today I had went and used an actual socket with an extension. This socket broke, as you can see right there. It literally snapped and cracked. And I knew that I would have to use something a little bit stronger, which I got to this. So I got 2 bolts that are out, already are loosened, and they are this one here and this one up here. They are loose. So I'm gonna undo those 2 on the end in the same way that I just did this one, and I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. So I'm gonna put my phone down nicely in the slots right on the hood, and you're gonna see how I do it. So according to Robert, do it yourself on YouTube, Robert says only a 1/4 inch turn every time. So that's okay. What can I do? Okay, so if he wants to be a 1/4 inch turn, that means I'm going to be at this angle right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to jerk it. I'm just going to slightly put pressure on it, and what you're going to hear is a snap. A very large snap. It does not mean you broke your socket. It just means that the bolts just suddenly came undone and now it is loose. You might in fact hear 2 snaps because that's what I heard. So I'm just gonna put a lot of pressure on it, and then I'm gonna slowly shake it, and then you're gonna hear that snap, and then it's gonna be loose, and then I'm gonna get it with that 1/4 turn, and I'm gonna do it on the other bolts too. So here we go. Quarter turn. Now that was still tight when I let go. So we're going to do this one now. Same thing. Lots of pressure, putting pressure on it. Now I'm going to start to slightly jerk it. Here we go. Now these 2 are loose, and since we're doing a staggered pattern, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then I go 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So that's all that I'm going to show you on how I got those bolts loose. This tool that I used, this breaker bar, it cost, well, this is on sale. The breaker bar itself was $27. The socket I used is like $11 at Canadian Tire. This here is a Mastercraft, or no, it's not a Mastercraft, it's a DeWalt. It's a DeWalt, whatever, I don't care. And it's got those bolts loose. That's all I wanted to show everybody. So there you go. That's how you get those stupid bolts loose. My name is Sean P. Carlson from Blackjack 98 Enterprises. Have a good day.